Actually, I love you.
You love me, sir? I love you too, sir. Thank you, Ravina ji. Thank you so much for this beautiful moment.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Jackie, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Come, sir. Jackie, sir, you always do a lot of dangerous action.
Yes.
Kitni haddiyan? I mean, you must have broken all your bones.
Not all, but mostly.
Almost.
Yeah. From here, nose, cheek, teeth, shoulder, broken, and crack.
Oh my God.
Too many.
ये ही चीजें हैं जो क्योंकि हम सब इंसान हैं और वो इंटरनेशनल स्टार हैं जैकी चैन क्यों हैं बिकॉज वो अपने काम को पैशन के साथ करते हैं डेडिकेशन के साथ करते हैं और सर वी रिस्पेक्ट यू वी लव यू अ लॉट
I was in Singapore, transit to Australia.
ओके
Then I got a phone call in America after body check because every movie after body check.
Right.
So they'll get the blood, everything.
Oh, God.
Then the doctor come, Jackie, what are you eating? I said, what do you mean? Your blood type and your heart, everything perfect. What is your most eat every day? I said, red bean soup. Then he said, oh, no wonder. Continue to eat it. Your body is so good. Even when I was 32 in Yugoslavia, when I get a skull injured, I opened the skull, like a 4 or 5 hour operation. Then the doctor come out to tell my friends, don't worry, your friend's Superman.
Wow.
you are Superman sir sir that soup is available in India
Yeah, I think.
Rajma ka soup.
अच्छा राजमा
Yeah.
Yes.
Sir, actually, me and Sonu are from Punjab state. We eat lot of rajma chawal, but you're
Red
talking
bean.
about red beans.
Oh,
but
yes.
rajma
Good.
makes you strong and हमें तो गैस हो जाती. I mean,
Yes, I know, but it's good. It's good.
okay. तो अच्छी चीजें हैं सीख लेनी चाहिए. Sir, as a common man, I just want to. I'm just curious to know that you are Jackie Chan. I mean, you need mixer, grinder, juicer, or you just keep the carrot in your hand and cucumber and juice. I mean, you are so strong.
Yes. That's in the movie.
I know it was a
I
stupid
just
question.
a normal human, but I just have a gust to do a lot of the things that normal people, they won't do it.
Sir, I mean, I just want to ask. I mean, your fans want to know how many total injuries you have. Do you remember?
I cannot remember. 3 times nose,
Oh my God.
shoulder. Too many.
And do you remember how many? I mean, good thing you have done on screen. I mean, kisses.
I want to do a kiss scene.
You want to do?
Yeah, more easier. But put in this way, of course, romantic drama is more easy. But action sequence makes me proud. Why? Because all those years when the audience look at the screen like this, go out the theater, wow, look at the Jackie, do the kick, the punch, the stunt, so good. I believe it, right? But if I'm doing a drama, kissing scene, I don't believe the audience come out the theater, look at the kissing, so good.
Yeah.
Right?
Good.
Then I said, oh, okay, as long as I'm still feel I'm young, I will continue to action until I cannot do it. Because you. Like a lot of people ask me, Jackie, why you continue to do this? Because that's my life. I've been doing it 56 years, every day, single day on the set. Every day doing the things. Action sequence. That, for me, it's so easy. For you, probably difficult. But you tell me to sit here to do the show. For me, it's difficult.
Sir, so sweet. I mean, I don't have words, but you are genius, sir.
You do the best you can. One day, you will get an Oscar. Yeah. Believe in yourself. Trust me. Believe in yourself. Like me, when I was young, if people said, Jackie, one day you will get an Oscar. you know. But I just concentrate. Even my box office good, box office no good. Somebody go to see my movie. Some people don't like movie. Doesn't matter. Every day, single shot. In the movie, in the stage, on the set, I do my best. I can enrich my life for all those years. One day, I never go to the Oscar. Oscar come to me.
Wow.
Same thing. No matter what kind of job you are, you're the host. You do the best you can. You're not today to the host. Nobody listen to you. Okay, tomorrow you change your cameraman. Okay, you doesn't good. You go to change your soundman. You do nothing. Stay where you are. Like you, like the audience. I think everybody have your own job. Stay your own job. One day, your dream success.
Wow.
यही चीजें होती हैं बड़े लोगों से सीखने वाली. Sir, you will not believe actually. I was talking to my team yesterday. So I told them, what if I will get an Oscar? I mean, I can get. We all are human beings. If we will give our 100%, we will give our best. Yes. So we can get. Sir, you are so inspirational. I mean, thank you so much for coming. सोनू भाई इनसे पूछो अगर नहीं ले आ पाए हम ऑस्कर तो हमें अपना वाला दे देंगे.
तू आ गया. मेरा जग्गू आ गया. मुझे तेरा इंतजार था.
नानी तू ना अपनी रेंज के हिसाब से इंतजार किया. अगर नल में पानी आया कि नहीं आया, मच्छर मारने वाले आया कि नहीं. तू जैकी साहब के सपने काम से ले रही तू.
बिजनेस प्लान है. तू चुप कर, बीच में मत बोला कर. और कैसा है मेरा पुत्र?
ठीक हो ना? नहीं ठीक.
जीतता रहे. कुछ बचा नहीं, नारियल से काम चला. My God! Ni hao ma.
Oh, how, ni hao, namaste.
Ni hao, वही पकड़ते रहे ना बीच में. You like my healthy organic praise?
Yes.
Yeah.
अभी क्या कर रही हैं आप? इधर क्या करने आई हैं?
मैं इनके लिए बिजनेस लेकर आई हूँ. तू बीच में ज्यादा बोला मत कर. Listen, no company there give you insurance. Yeah, because everywhere break. Don't worry, my company will give you insurance.
तुम्हारी कंपनी?
हाँ.
What company?
कोई नो कंपनी. मेरे नाना के साथ भी इनकी कंपनी नहीं बनी. कौन सी कंपनी खोल ली आपने? Do you have?
हाँ ठीक है. ये पैसे देगा उससे कंपनी भी खुल जाएगी ना. तू चुप कर और तू अप्लाई मत करना. मुझे सीरियस लोग चाहिए. You don't listen to him. He is villa. I tell you. You know, I've got lovely plan for you.
Okay.
आपके लिए मेरे पास है टकाटक बीमा योजना. See, this policy is for you. You one time give me under table 50 lakh rupees, invest in this. My company after 18 years, when you're ripe for marriage, will give you 5 times more.
He's already married, I told you.
Yeah, then do affair, na? My company will help you in affair also. I'll do the needful.
He don't need your insurance. He's very strong. Okay,
No,
now.
I know he's strong, but you do stunt, so you need insurance. I'll give you. जब देखो तो बेचारे लगे रहते हैं यूं करते.
I'll recommend, Nani. I'll recommend.
ये लॉक हो गया. कोई खोलो. It is locked here. Please open me.
Sir, you have to kick her. Sir, you have to kick her. Yeah.
Sir, don't worry. She's not original she. She's he.
She's a he.
She's a he.
Too old.
No, thank you for opening my
Bones.
Lock.
हाँ मजागड़ा.
That's what?
Okay, thank you and so nice meeting you. Okay, I go.
Thank you.
लग गई भाई.
सोनू भाजी आपने बहुत सारी लैंग्वेजेस में काम किया है. हिंदी, तमिल, तेलुगु, पंजाबी. आपने जैकी सर के साथ अभी काम. आपने कुछ इनसे चाइनीज सीखी आपने थोड़ी बहुत कि नहीं वैसे?
मेरे चाइनीज के अलावा इनको बहुत सारे अच्छे डायलॉग्स आते हैं हिंदी फिल्मों के.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप? सर, I will give you 4-5 dialogues. I mean, people will go mad if you say those dialogues. So, can we? Okay. So, There is Mr. Bachchan. He's a legendary actor. And his style is like, रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं. It's a very long dialogue, I know. So you can say, नाम है शहनशाह.
Yeah, like this.
Like this.
Like this.
Nam Han Shensha.
Oh! सर भाई बच्चन साहब का दीवार वाला डायलॉग. हाँ.
Yeah. So I have to say you one line and you have to answer it. मेरे पास गाड़ी है, बंगला है, बैंक बैलेंस है. तुम्हारे पास क्या है?
Maha.
There is another guy, Mr. Sunny Deol. He's an Iron Man. उनका एक डायलॉग है, बलवंत राय के कुत्ते.
क्या कर रहे हैं?
Can you repeat this line? बलवंत राय के कुत्ते.
कुत्ते.
हाँ, कुत्ते, ठीक है.
बलवंत राय के कुत्ते.
One guy to the kutte.
Superb. And there is another superstar, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. You met him?
Yes, Shah Rukh Khan.
So he's a very stylish actor. One of his dialogues is very famous, like, छोटे छोटे शहरों में
Chote chote salam mein.
बड़े बड़े शहरों में actually. Oh, sorry, I was wrong. बड़े बड़े शहरों में
Bala bala salam mein.
छोटी छोटी बातें
बातें होती
Chote
रहती
chote batein.
होती रहती हैं.
Hadi ende.
And Kabula, yeah, that signature step of like this. You know, yeah.
Sir, another guy, I like him very much, Mr. Shatrughan Sinha.
Yeah.
One small dialogue. खामोश.
Come on.
Superb, sir, I love you. Thank you. जोरदार तालियां यार, जोरदार. Come, sir.
Good, sir.
Sir, I know you are a very brave man like a lion. You know, in India, men are lion, but when they go back to their home and in front of their wives, they are mouse. I mean, just want to ask, same conditions in China also? Or Kung Fu saves you from your wife?
No. In Hong Kong, I'm like fly. You know, fly? Flying.
Okay.
Flying. I go home, then I say, look, this, look at the shoes, look at this, look at this. You know what my wife? She's a flying killer. Pack!
Sir, in India, marriage is not less than a stunt. Actually, it's almost stunt.
Yeah.
पहला स्टंट तो ये घोड़ी से भी आप गिर सकते हो. So, कुंग फू योगा के डायरेक्टर मिस्टर स्टैनली टोंग उनको यहाँ इनवाइट करने का और उनके साथ बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल एक्ट्रेसेस दिशा पटानी, अमायरा दस्तूर और वेरी ब्यूटीफुल मिया फ्रॉम चाइना. सो ऊपर वाला जब देता है तो छप्पर फाड़ के देता है. मुझे नहीं पता आज सिद्धू जी कहाँ हैं, लेकिन बड़ा पछता रहे होंगे. Beautiful girls, welcome to my show, Mr. Stanley. It's an honor to meet
nice
you.
to meet you.
Welcome. How are you, Mia?
Hi.
How are you? अमायरा, आप सब आइए, बैठिए, जहाँ जहाँ जगह मिलती है आइए, मिल बैठ के बैठ जाएंगे. आ जाइए.
No. Lady.
I'll sit here.
Yeah.
You sit
lady,
where
lady.
are you comfortable, Mr. Stanley? I will sit with Mia, no
I'll
problem.
let the lady sit.
No, yeah,
Yeah.
lady sitting. You can sit on my chair. Mia, I can sit with you.
Okay.
You.
No.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay. May I?
I can sit wherever. I can sit here also.
Sure.
Do you want to
That's
sit
better.
with me?
I just want to
That's
flirt with
better.
international beauty.
Okay, now interview.
अपने देश की लड़की पे बात आई, मुझे उठा के इधर बिठा दिया. वाह.
See? Good position, look. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
interview.
You are a
Start.
very big star.
वो सोनू बड़ा कंफर्टेबल है, वो
Thank
खिसक भी नहीं रहा है उस तरफ. खिसक तो जा.
Mr. Stanley.
You're on this side.
No.
And I try to be on this side.
I mean, India-China relationship are very good. We are not fighting for chairs.
Yeah.
Mia,
Hi.
I like your tattoo.
Thank you.
You're very beautiful.
You can try. Please.
Okay, bye bye.
No, no, sir. No. Where are you going, sir? I mean, sir, I mean, you did a lot of romance in your movies from
Okay.
so many years. I'm a poor guy. Give me a chance. Sir. Thank you, sir. I mean, would you like to have something?
Bye bye.
No, sir. Sir, okay. Okay, I will stand here. Would you
Okay.
like to have something? Chai, coffee, prane khane? Mia, I mean,
He's asking, do you want to kick him?
no, no. He's mad guy. You know,
Yeah.
he's
yes.
not a good person.
Yes, I like Sonu.
She's a single.
Single?
So good.
Yeah.
She's single.
Yeah.
You know what? I love fitness freak girls.
Me too.
Kapil Bhaji, she is the face of China for yoga. She is
Yeah.
the
Yeah,
yoga
trainer.
queen of China.
Goddess of yoga in Asia, actually.
Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. I'm Mia. Glad to be here in India. I'm playing No Ming, Jackie assistant in this movie Kung Fu Yoga. We been to Iceland, Dubai, China, and India. Exciting treasure hunting. I love you, India. India is so beautiful. Enjoying this movie. Thank you. Namaste.
You know, Mia, I've never been to China, but now I can say China is very beautiful.
There is a great wall of China also in between.
That is you. Big wall. अच्छा मैं I mean आप इतनी खूबसूरत हैं. You're so beautiful. I mean you do yoga also. I know. You are the
Okay.
goddess of yoga in Asia, right?
Okay, I teach you yoga.
Yeah. Yoga, she'll teach you.
Can she
Yeah.
teach you yoga?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, I need to remove.
You can
side
try.
fat.
You believe me. Okay, come on.
Come, come.
Here, either here.
Kung fu. Kung fu. Okay. For me. Follow her.
Okay, I will follow you till my
Yeah,
last breath.
I. Look at. For me, come on. Continue. Go ahead.
I did the same.
Go ahead.
When I'm young, yeah.
Okay.
Come on.
बहना, I'm sorry,
Namaste.
मैं नहीं कर सकता. I can't do this. Superb यार, तालियां जोरदार. Superb. Shelly, you're so good looking. Why don't you try in movies?
No, I 25 years with Jackie. You have a star so handsome and so good in acting. How can I come to the front?
Kapil Bhaji, I want to add, Stanley sir is himself a champion in MMA. The words mixed martial arts के जो the best जो भी fighters हैं, been trained by him. He still trains. He has got बहुत सारे schools हैं यहाँ पे mixed martial arts खाते हैं. So he would also like to teach you something.
No,
आपके
no, no,
ऊपर.
I will teach from
Learn.
somebody else. Then I will come to you. I can't go with the best. Direct. I don't want to break my face. अच्छा हमारी नजर दीपिका और प्रियंका के पे ही थी. हमें नहीं पता हमारी सारी लड़कियां हॉलीवुड की मूवी कर रही हैं. दिशा, मायरा, आप लोग कब निकल गई चुपके से? मतलब कैसे? हाउ यू गेट दिस? आपके साथ क्यों इंग्लिश बोल रहा हूँ? ये फिल्म आप मतलब कैसी मिली? सोनू पाजी ने तो बता दिया अपना.
जी ऑडिशन किया एंड स्टैनली सर ने सिलेक्ट किया, दैट्स इट.
ओके ओके. अच्छा चाइना में वैसे सामान काफी सस्ता मिल जाता है.
नहीं.
इस चक्कर में तो नहीं गए
और
आप?
महंगा है यहाँ से, और महंगा है.
क्या खरीदा था वहां से?
कपड़े.
कपड़े महंगे हैं वहाँ पे?
हाँ.
इस तुम लोगों को तो डबल फायदा हो गया ना. एक तो जैकी सर के साथ फिल्म करो, ऊपर से चाइना में ढेर सारी शॉपिंग करो. तो
कोई टाइम नहीं था शॉपिंग के लिए. डेली सुबह उठो 4 बजे.
जाते थे. हाँ, weekend पे. Don't lie. We went to the malls in Beijing.
I went once.
I went with you. We went twice.
I went once.
We went twice.
Okay, twice in 2 months.
when two girls are sitting, we are dead. Because they are keep fighting. Girls are always same, Mia.
Hi. Hi.
How are you? You look into my eyes.
Yeah,
Look
say
into my eyes. आपने कुछ जैकी सर को सिखाया कुछ इंडिया का कुछ उनको याद रहे?
Jackie, what did we teach you?
You want
They
dance?
teach me that word.
No. Like,
She taught.
Oh, okay. Yes. The good one?
no.
No.
क्या क्या सिखा के आ गए तुम?
I was like,
And-
no.
ये सिखाया?
अगर भाजी जो हमारा ने सिखाया बोल दिया ना सब बीप 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 चल रहेगा चल
They teach me every day. They just want me dancing with them. Teach
Yeah.
me a song.
Song? You know
Yeah.
Bollywood song?
Yes, he
Yes.
does.
Acha, I heard somewhere that you are going to perform in Beijing for Chinese New Year
Tonight.
tonight.
After interview, then I fly back. I'm come here special for you.
Oh, क्या बात है? Sir, I love you. Thank you so much for coming once again.
Tisha, you are best.
You're best, Mia.
Dada, Mia,
Oh, good gentleman.
Mia, this is for you.
Thank you.
Hindi chini boyfriend girlfriend. Bye. So hot water is the secret of your beauty.
Would you?
Beauty.
Beauty.
Thank you.
हाय शर्माती पूरा गांव वाली बहू की तरह है. मुझे बहुत पसंद आई पाजी. सोनू पाजी, I like.
अच्छा भाई
Which you like, Kapil or Sonu?
Let me think.
Good choice. You know he's married.
Sonu,
He's married.
we're brother and
या
Brother sister.
ब्रदर सिस्टर भाजी
वेरी गुड पाजी. ऐसे ही हमने एक जैसे एक को मैंने बहन बना लिया आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड, ऐसे आपने एक को बहन मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड. काम चलता रहेगा पाजी.
बिल्कुल भाई बिल्कुल
रवीना जी
नमस्कार.
मियाँ जी
Namaste.
नमस्ते. हेलो जी. हेलो जी. हेलो सोनू पाजी. हेलो. ओह माय गॉड जैकी चैन. और जैकी चैन है वारे ऊपर वाले तेरी कुदरत. और जिनके घर में पानी नहीं आता उनके घर में जैकी चैन आ गए.
चंदू, ये क्या है तेरा रिएक्शन? तो इतने इंटरनेशनल स्टार्स आए, क्या बदतमीजी कर रहा
ये मैंने इंग्लिश में हैरानी दिखाई है. ओए होए होए
है? ये तो हिंदी में होता है.
HOYE
Jackie sir, he's nothing. I mean, he's a tea maker.
I am not tea maker. I am tea engineer.
Okay.
Sir, I did diploma in tea making. मैंने चाय में डिप्लोमा किया है.
चाय में डिप्लोमा नहीं किया है. Did not do a diploma. डिप्लोमा क्लास में चाय बेचता था. झूठ क्यों बोल रहा है?
Sir, he is misguiding you. I am CEO of Dubai Tea Center.
Okay, so tell Jackie sir spelling of CEO.
अब इतनी बड़ी पोस्ट पे जाके भी स्पेलिंग सुनाने मैं टी मेकर ही ठीक हूँ भाई. खैर छोड़ो. सोनू भाजी और सुनाई क्या चल रहा है आजकल?
सोनू पाजी का बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है. तेरा तो फ्लश नहीं चलता घर का. तू क्या?
अब खेतों में कौन सा फ्लश होता है आप बताइए.
लोग अमेरिका पहुंच गए, तू खेतों में जाता है अभी भी.
अब मैं 5 मिनट का काम करने के लिए अमेरिका जाऊं मैं? जैकी सर मेरी बात सुनिए. आई हैव प्रॉब्लम. सो
तू हिंदी में बोल, मैं बता दूंगा.
मैं आपको आती है इंग्लिश?
मैं पिछले 1.5 घंटे से बातें कर रहा हूँ उनके साथ इंग्लिश में ताबड़तोड़.
मैंने देखता
I can speak English without any fumble, and you are giving fumble in Hindi. Shame on you.
So Jackie sir, I have a problem. Someone is telling himself is Jackie Chan and he 10,000 ठग लिए. So please solve my problem. Take revenge and my money.
Take revenge.
Okay. हाँ जी, ओरिजिनल जैकी चैन जी. हाँ जी आप आ जाइए.
तो I'm so tired. Such big dragon they give me. Dragon not to be so big. Okay, give me hand. You thinking who I am? Me, original Jackie Chan. No, मेरे दिल के चैन. I मेरे दिल को दुआ दीजिए. I'm original Jackie Chan. If you don't believe me, you can also ask Sidhu. सिद्धू जी आपने तो कहा था कि कोई आपको कितने भी पैसे दे दे आप लड़की नहीं बनेंगे.
वो सिद्धू जी नहीं है, रवीना जी हैं. ध्यान से देखिए आप.
ओ टिप टिप बरसा जो पानी आपके ऊपर वो ठीक हो गया अभी.